Hello student, welcome back to chemistry class. So today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is physical properties of amines. What is physical properties of amines? Okay. So in first physical property, physical state. What is physical state? So first two members are gas. First two members, this and this. These two are gas. Second, 3 to 8 are liquid. These 3 carbon to 8 carbons amines are liquid. More than 8 are solid. Aromatic amines are liquid. Aromatic amines are liquid. Lower aromatic amines are lower aromatic amines are toxic with pleasant smell, with unpleasant smell. Okay, so these are the physical states of amines. Here some aromatic compounds are aromatic amines are colorless oily liquid. Okay. So these are the physical state. Let us move to boiling point. So boiling point, BP is boiling point. Boiling point of amines are higher than the corresponding hydrocarbons of same molecular mass. Boiling point increases with increase the number of carbon or number of carbon chain. Amines boiling point is lower than the alcohol and carboxylic acid. So what we have seen, boiling point increases with increase in number of carbon, with increase the number of carbon in given compound. The boiling point of amines are higher than higher than corresponding molecular mass of hydrocarbon because they form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding like this here. So amine here like this hydrogen bonding they are forming. Due to this hydrogen bonding, their boiling point is higher than the hydrocarbon of same molecular mass. That is it. The boiling point of the amines are higher than corresponding molecular mass of hydrocarbon. This means if we take hydrocarbons and amines and they have similar molecular mass, so the boiling point of amines will be higher because they form intermolecular hydrogen bond. So that increases the boiling point. The boiling point increases with increase the number of carbon atom. Amines boiling point is lower than the amines boiling point is lower than the alcohol and carboxylic acid of similar molecular mass. Okay, you know that in this alcohol and in acid, oxygen is more electronegative, so it forms a stronger bond than the intermolecular hydrogen bond formed between the amine molecules. So what we have discussed here, that why does the molecular boiling point of amines are lesser than the alcohol and carboxylic acid. Both form hydrogen bond, but the hydrogen bond formed between the alcohol and carboxylic acid is stronger due to the more electronegative oxygen atom. So boiling point of alcohol and carboxylic acids are higher than the amines of similar molecular mass. This point you should remember. The hydrogen bond formed by the primary amine is stronger than the hydrogen bond formed by the secondary amine. As you know that in primary amine there are two hydrogen to form hydrogen bond, but in secondary amine there is only one hydrogen to form hydrogen bond. So we can say and tertiary amines doesn't form hydrogen bond because there is no hydrogen. So in tertiary ion there is no hydrogen. Tertiary ion there is no hydrogen. Doesn't form hydrogen bond. But if we compare primary and secondary, so if we compare primary, this is primary amine, okay, and this is secondary amine. Secondary amine. This is secondary amine. Okay. So hydrogen bonding in primary amine is stronger than the secondary amine because here there are two hydrogen to form hydrogen bond, but there is only one hydrogen to form hydrogen bond. So if we say that hydrogen bond formed between the primary amine is stronger than the secondary amine. Hydrogen bond formed between the primary amine is stronger than the secondary amine because the primary amine has two hydrogen to form hydrogen bond, but in secondary amine only one hydrogen is there, so that can't form a stronger bond like primary amine. So here what we have seen here, that so the order of formation of hydrogen bonding primary, secondary and then tertiary. Tertiary doesn't form, but sometimes we show like this. Tertiary doesn't form hydrogen bond. So this is the order of formation of hydrogen bond in amines. Primary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than tertiary. So in tertiary there is no hydrogen, so that doesn't form the hydrogen bond. Next is solubility. Is solubility. So if they say in solubility, aromatic amines are soluble. Sorry, aliphatic amines are soluble in water. Because they form hydrogen bond. They form hydrogen bond with water. They form hydrogen bond with water. Hydrogen bond with water. Water like this. Here, water like this. Here, like this. Like this, they are forming hydrogen bond. So, like this, they form hydrogen bond. So, like this hydrogen bond. If I shift this one this side, so like this, it can form hydrogen bond with another water molecule. Here, like this. Okay, students. Solubility decreases with increase in molecular mass. On the other hand, other hand, aromatic amines are not soluble in water, not soluble in water. So this is the physical properties of amines. Next is chemical properties.